Fitzgerald, thank you for that.
In the UK, the families of those killed in the IRA's 1974 Birmingham pub bombings have been told they will not receive the same British Home Office funding during a new inquest as had been provided to relatives of the Hillsborough disaster. Home Secretary Amber Rudd has said, however, that she supports the group's application for legal aid.
21 people died when 2 IRA bombs exploded in Birmingham in November 1974. 6 Irishmen who were wrongly convicted of the bombings went on to serve 16 years in prison before having their convictions quashed. For over 20 years now, the families of some of those killed in Birmingham that night have campaigned for answers to their questions about what really happened. In June, a coroner ruled in favour of the family's contention that the inquest into the deaths should reopen. The costly nature of the inquest saw the group apply for funding to cover legal expenses through the British Home Office. It was that funding which was granted to the families of the victims of the Hillsborough disaster when that inquest was reopened. The Home Secretary Amber Rudd has now told the Birmingham group they will not receive financial aid under that scheme. The group's lawyers called the decision disappointing, but noted that the Home Secretary has fully backed an application which has been made for financial support to the Legal Aid Agency. That agency is an independent authority and has not yet decided whether or not to grant that funding to the Birmingham families. Campaigners say they hope to hear soon if the agency will support the application, as the first pre-inquest hearing is due to take place in Birmingham in November. Fiona Mitchell, RTE News, London.